Hello and welcome to our review of the Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this keyboard's design, features, and performance, and help you decide if it's worth buying. Let's start with the design of this keyboard. The Kemove Angel K68 is a compact mechanical keyboard that features a 65% layout, which means it's smaller than a full-size keyboard but larger than a tankless one. The keyboard is made of durable plastic material, and it has a matte finish that feels nice to the touch. It's available in two colors, black and white. The keyboard is also relatively thin, making it easy to carry around in a backpack or laptop bag. The Kemove Angel K68 also features a detachable USB Type-C cable, which is great for those who need to travel with their keyboard. The cable is braided and has a length of 1.5 meters, which should be more than enough for most setups. Another interesting feature of this keyboard is its hot swappable switch design, which means you can easily swap out the switches without soldering. This allows you to customize the feel of the keyboard without having to buy a new one. Now, let's move on to the features of the Kemove Angel K68. This keyboard comes with a variety of features that make it a great choice for gamers and typists alike. First, it has a full RGB backlighting system, which allows you to customize the lighting of each individual key. You can also choose from a variety of lighting effects and create your own. The Kemove Angel K68 also has a built-in 1900 mAh rechargeable battery that provides up to 8 hours of continuous use with the RGB lighting on, or up to 10 hours with the lighting off. This makes it a great option for those who want a wireless keyboard without sacrificing battery life. The keyboard also comes with a software program that allows you to customize the keyboard's functions and macros. You can create up to 3 profiles, each with its own custom settings, and easily switch between them with a press of a button. The software is easy to use and provides a lot of customization options. Finally, let's talk about the performance of the Kemove Angel K68. This keyboard uses Gateron optical switches, which are similar to Cherry MX switches. The switches provide satisfying tactile feedback and are rated for up to 100 million keystrokes, which is more than enough for most users. The keyboard also has a low input lag, which makes it a great option for gamers who need quick and precise inputs. The Kemove Angel K68 also has an N-key rollover, which means that each keystroke is registered, even if you press multiple keys at once. This is a great feature for gamers who need to execute complex commands quickly. In conclusion, the Kemove Angel K68 mechanical keyboard is a great option for those who want a compact, customizable, and high-performing keyboard. Its hot swappable switch design, RGB backlighting, and software customization makes it a versatile keyboard that can be used for both gaming and typing. Its Gateron optical switches provide great tactile feedback, and its low input lag and N-key rollover make it a great option for gamers. If you're in the market for a new mechanical keyboard, the Kemove Angel K68 is definitely worth considering.